Hi there. In this video, we are going to see how to add DNS records to your Google Domains account. Log in to your Google Domains account and go to the My Domains area. Choose your sender domain from the available list. Now go to the DNS tab from the sidebar. Under the Custom Records section, you'll be able to see the input fields for DNS records. Let's begin with a CNAME record. Enter the details as given in your SendX account. Choose the type CNAME from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create a New Record button once you've entered all the details. Enter the host value of the TXT record. Choose the DNS type as TXT. Enter the value as given in your SendX account. Click on Create New Record to add the final record. Enter all the details as we have shown before. Now click on the Save button to save all 3 records you've just added. It'll take anywhere between 2 to 48 hours for the records to propagate. You can check the whitelisting status after a few hours. Thanks for watching, stay tuned.